Recently, I uploaded a Laravel website online on a cPanel, and I got this error. So I want to show you how to fix this error really quick. It's not anything that should be a problem at all. So what he's talking about here is a PHP version that uh, is is set up into the cPanel. So you want to go and change it. So when you come to your cPanel, um, you what you do is that you have all this. This is the home page of the cPanel. So you go down to PHP. You go down to PHP. You go to softwares, then PHP version. So after getting to the PHP version, you click the select PHP version, and then you come to the version. You see the current version is 7.4, but here they are saying that the required version should be equal to 8.10 or above. So you come here, you come and select 8.1. Since they are saying 8.1 and above, then you apply. If you apply and you go back to your website, you'll see that your website will be up and working. So this is something small I wanted to show you, because a lot of people have had issue with this, and it's really worrying. Things like this, please subscribe and then like this video, share with your friends.